In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Presenter View in Microsoft Teams. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open the Microsoft Teams application on your desktop or Android device. Make sure you're logged in so you can access all the features available to you. Once you have Microsoft Teams open, look for the video icon located on the left sidebar. This is where all your video conferencing features are. Go ahead and click on it to dive into the world of virtual meetings. Next, you'll want to start a new meeting session for your presentation. To do this, locate and click on the Start Meeting option. This will create a new meeting room where you can share your presentation with others. Now that you're in the meeting room, take a look at the toolbar at the bottom of your meeting window. Here, you will find various options, and you need to click the Share button. This button is crucial as it opens up options for sharing your content with other participants. When you click on the Share button, you'll see a few different options. You can choose to share your entire screen, a specific window, or a specific browser tab. For most presentations, sharing your entire screen is the best option. This ensures that all things you want to show, including text and images, are visible to your meeting audience. So, go ahead and select the option to share your entire screen. This choice will give your viewers a comprehensive view of everything you're displaying, helping keep the meeting interactive and informative. Now, it's time to get your actual presentation ready. Open the specific file or presentation that you want to discuss with your meeting audience. Make sure it's prepared and easy to navigate. If you're using PowerPoint, for example, navigate to the slide you want to start with and have it open and ready to go. To ensure that everyone's attention is on the primary content, bring your document or presentation to the foreground. This means you should adjust the windows so your presentation is clearly visible and stands out to all participants. If there are any tools or interactive elements you want to use during the presentation, make sure they're ready as well. The more organized you are, the smoother your presentation will go. And that's it. You've successfully set up your presentation in Microsoft Teams with Presenter View. Now you can engage with your audience effectively, and they can follow along easily. Remember, being familiar with the tools at your disposal can greatly enhance your presentation experience. If you practiced and prepared well, you're setting yourself up for a successful meeting. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out more of our tutorials for tips and tricks on using Microsoft Teams effectively.